Can't play your favorite tunes because Bluetooth won't connect? Here's what you need to know. First, let's check the basics. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on both your phone and your Chevy Malibu's infotainment system. Still not working? Try turning Bluetooth off then back on both devices. It sounds simple, but it solves most connection issues. Now head into your phone's Bluetooth settings. Find your Chevy Malibu in the device list. If it's there but won't connect, tap it and choose Forget. Then restart your phone. Next, in your car, go to the Bluetooth menu and remove any old or unused devices. Too many saved devices can confuse the system. Ready to pair again? On your infotainment screen, select Add Bluetooth Device. On your phone, scan for new devices and tap on your Chevy Malibu when it pops up. Confirm the pairing code matches on both screens, then approve. If you're still having trouble, try updating your phone's operating system and your Malibu's infotainment software. Compatibility issues can cause stubborn connection problems, and if all else fails, a quick restart of your car's infotainment system by turning your car off, waiting a minute, and turning it back on can do wonders. Bluetooth drama solved. Now crank up your playlist and enjoy the ride.